Building the human network of Web3 technology can connect us, but people give it purpose. That's why at Meta Earth we created the Navigator program, a global network powered by real humans who believe Web3 should serve everyone, not just insiders. Navigators are the normal employees, they are local ambassadors, real people connecting Meta Earth vision to their communities. To help us onboard new users by creating content, running local groups, and hosting events to the ground. Unlike old models where a team talks to a community, our navigators talk with each other. It's a network that grows itself. This means even if we step back, our navigators could still host events and gather feedback on their own. It's a network that learns and scales globally. Anti-fragile by design, but the Navigator program isn't about small rewards or tasks, it's about empowerment. Meta Earth gives people real opportunities, training, exposure, and experience, helping them become future leaders of the Web3. Today, they onboard users. Tomorrow, they could be running local ME nodes or launching their own dApps built on MEID. This is how we create a talent pipeline, not buying traffic, but investing in people. And it's all part of our bigger vision, the digital Earth. A digital world with a human heartbeat through our navigators. Meta Earth is both global and local, shaped by voices from every corner of the world, because the future of Web3 isn't just about technology, it's about people who believe in it. Become part of the movement. Download ME Pass app, create your MEID, and start your journey as a Meta Earth navigator.